Namaste, this is Rotarian Anila Pillai reporting live from Rotary Optimus Studio. Friends, I'm so very excited today to have in our studio a very young leader, Vritti. And Vritti is still in school but already taking on leadership roles and community initiatives. Vritti, first question to you is what first inspired you to become so actively involved beyond academics?
So, my parents believe very strongly in co curricular and extracurricular activities. So, from a very young age, from maybe the age of 4 or 5, I have been participating in competitions. I have um, actually put up my own art exhibition when I was 13 years old. I have been painting since I was 4 years old, and I've been dancing since I was 7 years old. And I also enjoy public speaking a lot, and I've participated in various international debates as well.
Wow, that's Vritti for us. Vritti, you were also part of the EU Mind exchange program with students from the Netherlands. What did you learn from interacting with students from different culture?
So, our school, my school, Jamnabai Narsi School, it strongly believes in co curricular activities as well. It also believes in social impact and networking very strongly. So, they introduced this program to us, and it was introduced to us in the ninth grade and the 11th grade. And we were communicating with students in schools from the Netherlands, and we were talking about different topics, whether it is the cultural differences, whether it is about food, whether it is about festivals, culture, whether it is about interaction, whether it is about public places, whether it's public transport, whether it is about women empowerment. We spoke a lot about that, and as the IC representative of Jamnabai School, I was very privileged to be leading my group and to have one-on-one conversations with them into video conferences as well.
Wow, great.
Yeah.
Vritti, what is the one thing you would be proud of being Indian
Well,
as a brand ambassador of India?
it will definitely 120% be a rich and varied culture. And as a folk dancer, as a diploma holder in folk dance, I will have to say the hundreds and hundreds of forms of folk dance that we have in our country.
Great. You are deeply involved in social service initiative. Why do you think it is important for young people to develop a sense of community responsibility at this early age?
So, community service is usually termed as something you do for the underprivileged. But I very strongly believe that the underprivileged, as we call them, are not actually underprivileged, because um, they are given less opportunities, yes. They need help, yes. But they have been dealt cards that they can be um, they can switch their own lives by themselves with just a little nudge, with just a little help. And I strongly believe that whatever I can do sitting in the position that I am, whether it is spreading awareness or doing donation drives, or whether it is teaching them small skills that maybe they do not have access to, that they can boost themselves without external support to that level, that they can be proud of themselves, that yes, I did this, and yes, I have reached this path, or I have crossed this path because I was determined.
Great. So, young leaders' qualities Vritti has just expressed by social service initiative. Uh, Vritti, today you are part of Rotary Means Business Conclave. What excites you most about seeing so many leaders and entrepreneurs come together in one place?
So, if we see that all these different entrepreneurs, all these different leaders, they've all come from different backgrounds. They all have their speciality or their specifications in different fields that they work on. But ultimately, we've all come here to do one thing, which is network, build our brand, build our portfolio, know what is out there, what is going on in the world. So it's just really wonderful to see how many people are actually striving to be better, or to be the best version of themselves.
Great, learning from observing. That's great, Ritti. And after this interview, I can feel that Ritti के कच्ची उम्र के पक्के इरादे will take her lot बहुत आगे ले जाएंगे आपको. और इनके लिए दो शब्द कहना चाहूँगी. हवाओं से कह दो अपनी औकात में रहे. हवाओं से कह दो अपनी औकात में रहे. हम पंखों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ रहे हैं और उनके हौसले ऐसे ही बुलंद रहें.
Very
Thank you,
well
Ritti.
said. Thank you so
All the
much.
very best for your
Thank you.
future.